Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CAD Engineer. Today in this video we are going to learn how to make smart component in the assembly. So let's design different components here. So I'll taking a front plane and we'll create one plate with two holes. We're defining the size of this plate. This is 30, 100, and I'm placing some hole, defining the size, this to be 10, and also defining the location 15, and also defining the position horizontal. Same way I'll create one more hole this side, making that to be horizontal position and this to be equal to this diameter, and defining 15 distance from the vertical line. Exit. Now we'll extrude it. We'll keep 10 distance. Okay. I'll save this as a part 1. So smart component 1, we'll save it. Now I'll make second component. So I'll just take front plane and create one circle of 10 diameter. We'll extrude it up to 15. Okay. I select this top face, sketch on it. We'll take one hexagon. So to get a proper bolt shape, I'm adding the head of this 5 mm. Okay. Now we'll save this component, file, save S2. Now I'll make one more component. On that I'm going to do all this assembly. So taking a front plane, defining this plate to be 100 in size, 50. I'm placing again two holes equal in size, horizontal with respect to origin, and also we define this is 15 distance and 15 distance here, adding a diameter of 10 and extrude it. Okay, we'll save this component S3. Now we'll go to assembly. We'll create smart component. So here we'll bring the part S1 and we'll bring the component S2. We'll assemble it. So we'll go to mates. We'll select this face and select this face. Okay. And we'll select this face and select this face and do OK. Now I want to assemble this part here also. So we'll use copy with mate option. We'll take copy with mates. We'll select the component to copy. Click on the next arrow. We'll select the same sequence of the faces that we select there. Now select this face. Do OK. So this is assembled with the mates. Cancel the command. Now I want to make this to be as a smart component. So we'll search the command name smart component. Make smart components. So here we'll select this plate and here we'll select the components and do OK. So this becomes smart component. Now let's do assembly. Let's go to new, assembly and OK. Now I'll browse the part S3. On that I want to do all the assembly. Now we'll bring the component S1, So I'll assemble it first, arrange it, plus this and this to be concentric, and also this and this face to be coincide. I'll arrange it properly. Now I want to apply that nuts also. So what we'll do, we'll click on this component. You will see one static symbol will become here. Insert smart feature. We'll click on this, do OK. We'll get one window here. It's showing that the components that we added here in that plate, it was there. Now you need this components, you do OK. If you need only one components, you can also untick the particular one. If you need both, you keep it both and do OK. Like this way, we can update the components in the assembly by using Smart Assembly. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.